Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Melo Trade here to break down what happened to Bitcoin during a New York session. Just getting some water. Some water. All right. So what happened today, guys? It was it called 1-2 punch from New York Open. So what's the 1-2 punch? The 1-2 punch basically we open here, we get the 1-2 punch. So it's a kind of like a rug pull term that trader use. It's when the New York Open, they give you the 1 and the 2 punch. So you don't, they get you to think that they're pumping the price, which is structurally everything to the upside, and then they dump it on your head or on our head in this case, on our head. So what happened is we have a structurally bullish. Let's go back. Let's recap here a little bit to 9:30. Basically, here we had bullishly structure from what happened here, guys, is yesterday, last night. Basically, the New York got a bottom here, made a bottom here. Everybody agree on the bottom, and we start making structure to the upside. Now we made a 1 hour. This was 1 hour high uh, structurally. So we came to the upside here, and we broke that 1 hour structurally, and we made a new 1 hour. So we broke 1 hour structurally uh, through Asia session. So that was a 10:30 Asia session. They said that's it. Dumping is enough. We want to do high structure. So New York can do come back to the break of structure, or basically come back to anywhere between the 618 and 786 right here, which is they did on the next Asia day. They did that because New York agreed to make price here. Uh, they came back to make a higher low right here and to go. So what we wanted to happen is we wanted to go, and then we break structure again, and then we go. So what we had, um, basically at 9:30, we were pumping since 12:45, and we made high, low, and we wanted to break that high. So that was the 15-minute high that we were gonna play out from. That was the high, and that was the low. So just at the New York Open, let's go back to the 3 minute. Just in New York Open, we made an SFP to the 15-minute low right here. We made that SFP. When we made that SFP, that means they took liquidity from here, and now they're gonna rotate to the upside. Now structurally was 3 minute down, 15-minute not down, 15-minute up, because we had this to break, but 3 minute it was high, basically low, high, and we have break here. So we wanted to go above this high right here, this high, and then we go to make structurally bullish. So in New York, they did exactly that. They came down, they swept it. So they didn't come down again, which is very weird because Before New York Open, the sweep happened. By New York Open, we wanted something like that, come back to the sweep, and then go, just to confirm the sweep. But they just wanted to go up. Maybe no, they wanted to go up. They broke this structure and they kept going up to the 15-minute. So at this point, when they broke this, they made sure everybody with high volume, they made sure everybody flipped bullish. Everyone just confirmed bullish again, flipping bullish. Everyone bought bullish. For me, I was watching it. I had a block here and I had a block here. And what happened is I have these two blocks, 3-minute blocks, and I was waiting. I was watching this high. What's gonna happen? If this was a strong high, then I'll wait for this block. If that was not a strong high, SFP or anything else, I'll be waiting and trying the last block. So I'll show you what happened because we broke the 15-minute right here. We closed above the value area low, and we have the 618 plus a 30-minute order block. So I wanted to close in here above the 618. I don't think it happens. This 618, it was the pull from the 4 hour, the last 1 hour, which is locally. That was the local fib because we already got rejected from this fib 618, the 4 hour fib, from this one to the low. We got rejected and we're coming down, but we made a nonetheless a higher low, and we wanted not to get rejected here. So after this volume candle above here, I was gonna watch what happened here because I don't have structure until we come down here. Now we got a stop volume candle, which is never good because we wanted something to go. And we didn't touch the 618 yet. And we had look, we lost the valley area low. We still above the 15-minute, but we lost the volume area low, which is not good. We want to see strength. Now they pushed us again to the 618, and the dump, guys, it was something really like this candle was 0.34%, and they wiped it with double size candle. Like, it was aggressive. So I saw this, I was like, oh shit. So we're losing the value area low, we're losing the last high that we made. So basically it's an SFP but with the rug pull, because what happened, they didn't SFP it. If we go to the 15, they made a close above it. So everybody was so excited. No, they rugged you. The next candle, it came hard down. And like I said, when I saw this, I was like, this one I'm going to take, but I need conviction. I need like 90% conviction. And the next candle, boom, we throw it, we closed outside. So I said, okay, that wasn't my plan anyways to take that. I'm waiting for this, and I have to try the last order block. So the next candle came in, just front run it, but we didn't, like, we got a pump. I was watching the 3-minute, we went all the way green and then we came back. The next candle, we closed doji. So I could have tried it here. Like, I I said, okay, I had to try it here. I think I did try it. Let me see. Did I wait another candle or? One second. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me pull out my exchange here. Let's see. So I don't get. I don't. Yeah. So I tried the doji because, yeah, we front run it, but this one closed red, and one of my strategy. Always try the last one, and my stop loss here. Probably I was just gonna take it to. Probably I was just gonna take it to this candle, or just to this wick. I wasn't sure what I was gonna take it, but I knew it was a quick take profit, and the next candle, and they just got me out. They just got me out. Um, this basically we don't need. They just got me out, and I started the day with a loss, guys. Okay, I started the day with the loss, but no problem because we have to stick to the strategy, and we have to ride the wave and win the trade. And with riding the wave, you can make a lot of things happen. So I didn't worry about it before, and I still do it. I still do it, and I hate when I do it, but I still do it. Like right away when I had a loss, I wanna get the money back. I wanna revenge trade and stuff like that. But it was early in the morning, so I said, okay, opportunity is gonna come when it gets late, and I did it. I did it. I was up, and I'll show you how I was up, and somehow I end up the day a little bit down, and that's what I want to try to get rid of because I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it when that happened and I see the closes close, um and we'll see what happened. Anyways, so here basically we confirm structurally bullish. Now we're structurally bearish. Now we're favoring anything um, short, and we left behind this order block. And I knew, guys, sometime it happens, but I knew we're not gonna get back to it. We had another order block here, and we totally just went through it, no problem. Um, no problem. And then we made another order block here. And guys, we're gonna come back to this order block because I should have stick to my strategy uh, to that order block, uh, but I didn't. I was just basically messing it up before we even wait and patience and reach here. Anyways, so we're coming down. We left this behind. This order block already got disrespected, so we're gonna hide it, and we trying to make some blue candles. And I remember that what happened is we came down, we broke again right here, and then I'll show you what happened. I had this order block here, and I had this candle came to the order block close. Now I have the low. Here's the thing. I have the low here. I took that trade. Um, of course, stop loss to the invalidation. But this take profit, guys, um, it sucks because I just took take profit TP1 here, basically, because I don't have anything to go by here. It's just riding the momentum. So TP1 here, guys, um, it hit, and I wanted TP2 to hit the low, and I think they came back to me. So basically, uh, We had an order block here. They already hit my entry, so I'm out. But when we hit my entry, uh, this is the trade I took. When we hit my entry, we made an order block and we closed outside of the order block. So I took that trade too. So that's one and that's two. Invalidation to the same point. And again, where I'm going to take profit. So I took profit just before that block. TP1 and TP1 hit. I just wanted to go to the lows. And they never gave me the lows, guys. And no, back to the stop. And I got stopped out. Just making sure. Yeah, this is the loss. Nothing here. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing here. And yeah, took this and took this one, took this one, and then took this one. Yeah. So I got stopped out on both. Came back to the same block. I was watching this, to be honest with you guys. Um, and I saw it going fast, and that's something I'm working on myself. I saw it going fast. I didn't take it, but it was good. You had another opportunity here. Um, I didn't take it, and right here, because I think that was way fast. Uh, so I didn't take that one. It didn't go to the low, and it came back all the way here. I was watching here. This one too. Just took the liquidity here and it's running. I didn't take it, but I was watching it, and then this one here, I think I was yeah, guys, I did that one too. So we left an order block here. We came up. It's my strategy. Close here. Invalidation to this wick, and I was gonna take it to this order block right here. So TP1 hit and right away to my entry. It's horrible. Like TP2 is, I'm telling you, is my nemesis, and I always wanted to take it to the low. So no, and then take my thing, and then they run the low. At this point, when they run the low, it's okay. They run it without me. I had an order block here. So this one is gone, and this one is gone. Another order block here, guys. Yeah. So another order block, and okay. So they came up, and yeah, they wicked that order block, but they closed here, guys. They closed outside of the order block at the lows. Like they closed at the lows. So I was gonna take it too. It's same thing. Like just consider, because we have the volatility. So just don't worry about this wick. We closed in a good size, on the good side. So invalidation right here. That's the real invalidation. And where did I take that one? I think I just wanted to. Oh, just to that order block. Of course, it's obvious. I wanted to take to that order block, and then TP1 hit, stop loss to entry, and TP2, I wanted to take it to the lows. Actually, I did this. And did I take TP2? Um, no, I got stopped out here. Stop loss to entry, and that's what happened. That's basically what happened every time. But I don't care, guys. It's like I made money here. So okay, so at this point, guys, I was down in the morning with that one loss, and now I made a couple of trades. So I traded this one, two, uh, this one three, and that one four. So four trade, and now I'm up for the day, and I'm just smoothing. I'm just watching the market, and I don't think I saw anything in the market, but gonna see. Now we start going to the upside. Uh, I know I missed one trade to the upside. Um, so you got this order block, this small touch. We went out of it, and now we're closing. We broke again to the downside. So you have this order block. You create it. Um, yeah, and now you made an SFP. You start going up. Um, yeah, you didn't break any structure, so you're not taking this order block. Yeah, you're going to the downside. I think that was the trade that I missed. That was the trade that I missed. No, let me see here. No, that closed in it, and we dropped down. So it wasn't this one. Let's see. It was this one. I know you. I went for lunch. I came back, and it was no. We front run this one. Yeah, this one is not a strategy. And we already took that low, so I wouldn't take that again because we already took the demand, the supply on it. So it's gonna take it. Was it this one? Yeah, because this one got hit. This one didn't get it hit yet, and that was a touch. Yeah, that was a touch. Honestly, I would have. I don't know. It's very very close, but I was gonna. Hmm. Yeah, I'll take that one. Yeah, I know we're coming hot, but we didn't break any structure. Structurally to here to break, and I will gonna take it TP1 to that order block. Yeah, right here to that order block. Let's see what happened. We closed in the order block, and we came up almost TP1. Yeah, TP1 got hit. So I think that one that I missed, guys. That was the trade that I missed. Um, yeah, I think that I was gonna take it if I was at the computer. It's a nice trade. Probably I would take profit right here, guys. Just to I know myself, but I could have gone to here, but that would be a nice trade. Stop loss to entry, TP2 to the low. Let's see what happened. Yeah, I would have got this one beautifully, but that just happened at 2, so I wasn't at the computer, and it's not something that I would regret. I think I saw it. Uh, did I see this one? I think what happened, I got a delivery, and I got a delivery, and I left the computer. I came back, and this was already hit. So yeah, yeah, that's for sure. That is for sure what happened, and structurally to the downside. So I did not take that one. Yeah. So sometime you leave the computer and the trade happened, but nonetheless, so we came up and we broke here. Yeah, we break in here. So we broke structure on the 3 minute. So now structurally to the upside, and I think I missed this one. Uh, I don't know how. I basically we had a structure, we made an order block, and we came back. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I can take it. Um, and I'm gonna take it. If I were to take that one, literally stop loss to here. That's your real invalidation. And I was gonna take it probably to here. Yeah, that's me, guys. Um, better quick profit than sorry. And let's see what happened after. Maybe I lost this one. Oh no, TP1 hit right away. Beautiful, 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 beautiful trade. Yeah, and two trade that I missed beautifully, and we can do this order block now. We're going to this order block. Let's see. I think, yeah. So what happened? I saw this rejection on that order block. Okay, and I'll tell you. I'll walk you through what I thought. I saw this rejection, and this is the last order block before we break the 15-minute high. Okay, so I saw this front run, and I saw this struggling. Okay, and then we start coming down. Now, because my mentality, I take profit really quick. So if I were to take this trade here, if I were to take this trade somewhere here, my take profit would be this order block. Okay, but my real take profit should be like somewhere here. Okay, but when I saw it running and I missed the opportunity, so I just left it the way it is. Okay, I said, I'm too late, whatever. But inside of me, I still say, I missed it. I should have taken it because I know better. This is to break, blah, 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 blah. Okay? And I'll tell you what happened after. So, uh, we came down, beautiful candle. Even if I would have taken that one, beautiful candle, I would have gone by this order block again. But this order block held, okay? And we closed in it. Let's delete that one. We closed in it. We didn't make a break here, and we leaving. Okay, and I saw this because I said I what my thought was, oh, I missed this one, but we got rejected out of this one. Perfect. So we made an order block here. Okay, delete that one. Let me show you what happened. And then, but we closed in it. Okay, let's go back one. Okay, no problem. But we closed in it, buddy. This is not your strategy. Obviously, I'm not fucking blind, but we closed in it. Okay. So I decided to short. Wow. I decided to short. And even invalidation is supposed to be here, not here. Anyways, so I decided to short invalidation here, and I said well, I'm gonna take it to this this wick right here. Okay, but we closed in it. Plus, we broke structure here. Thank you. So next candle, we closed in it. So I put my stop loss tight. I got stopped out. No problem. I got stopped out. I'm still up for the day. No problem. Okay. So I'm looking at the next candle, and the next candle, it was at the low. You see that low? And it was struggling here, and it came down a little bit. So what did I do? We closed in it, buddy. We closed in the order block. No, I decided to. We made a higher high, buddy. One, two. No, I ignore all this. I ignore all the noises, and I decided to short again somewhere here. And you know what I said this time? I said, no, 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 no. I'll keep my invalidation here. I don't care. Boom. And now I just wiped out all the profit of the day. Wiped out. Because not sticking to the strategy, not following the rules, and kamikaze trading, which is revenge trading. So this didn't hold, and I said, no worries, let's go up. And I saw this getting held by the high. Um, it's not something that I should have take, but I took a long here. I shouldn't take that, and I'll tell you why I shouldn't take that. I took the high here, validation here, and I just wanted to take the 15 high. Actually, I put it right here just to front around that wick, and likely it hit. Okay, so I was down, now I'm up, a little bit change, and then I said, oh, I like this long thingy without any strategy, without just long. And then at 420, guys, we got Nvidia earning, and the Bitcoin price did that. Okay, and see what we're looking ahead. We have VWAP, we have that order block I guys told you about. Okay, so and this was pumping, and so I didn't long anywhere here, but somehow I decided to long the VWAP. What the hell? Because okay, so we had volume, to be honest with you guys. We had volume coming in. But that volume coming in, it could be selling at VWAP. Yeah, we closed green and blah blah. But I just decided to long here. But look what happened, guys. If we stick to the strategy, look. We closed outside that order block. We respected the order block, and we had point of control of 30-minute block, 3-minute order block, and then view up. So that should be an easy short, easy short, and you go invalidation to the top of the order block, easy. And I wouldn't be greedy. I was just gonna take it to, you see these highs, and probably I would gonna take it to somewhere here, knowing me. But easy, that would be easy short if I would stick to the strategy. And no, so came down, made me lose the long here because I put stop loss really tight. I lost. Now I'm in the minus of the day. Easy short, man. Easy short. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I got you in my room. Probably easy short, the easiest fucking short. But no, yeah, I decided to whatever. Anyways, so now I'm now I'm in the minus, and I need to go do some chores. Not chores. Do some earnings, and I have stuff to do. And then before I go, I saw this candle coming back again to that order block, and I said this time I'm taking all my profit in validation, and I only wanted it right here again. That's it. All I wanted it right here. No, I'm lying. Sorry. All I wanted it is to this low right here. Yeah, this low, I'm out. And the next candle came, get me all the profit. No TP1, no TP2, just the whole thing closed. So now I'm in the minus. I end up the day. So I was in the plus. I end up the day in the minus, but it was a minor loss. So I'm happy with it. It couldn't be worse because without revenge trading, but it could be much better if I stick to the strategy. And that's what we're gonna do, guys. Like that's what we're learning, and that's what we're gonna do in the future. And we're gonna talk shit, and we're gonna call people out. And I want you guys to call me out on it. So anyways, so at this point, structure still to the upside. Basically, you have this order block to go from. But nonetheless, if we break this low, I wouldn't take that. I wouldn't take that long because we made a lower high. Um, but yeah, they didn't come back to that, and honestly, oh wow, that it's a touch. It's not something I would take, to be honest with you. It's just a touch. Plus, we didn't make any high here, so I wasn't gonna take it. Yeah, see, a great decision. It's a touch. We didn't make higher high than this wick, so um, yeah. If we break here, if we go, then it's better. But it looks like we have a um, I don't know. Maybe we come here. We have an early break. Let's see this one. I'll keep it for now. And yeah, we went through it. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it when we went through it, so we don't have to explain shit. And yeah, so now we're breaking. We got momentum. We made a higher low here. Beautiful. So I'll be waiting for this order block. And we got the touch again. now we're struggling to make a high, so I wouldn't take it too. Everything here basically, guys, is internally, unless we break these 2 points. And I hate internally shit because we made a low, made a high, made a low. mm, yeah, we need to break. Yeah, I wouldn't gonna take it. um let's see what happened. This touch is way better than this touch, but no, I wanted something better. So let's see. Okay, now we're breaking, and now we're gonna be looking for this guy. This guy's already touched, yeah. So now we're flying to the moon, leaving no order block behind us. And that's it. That's where we are right now. We came back, no, nothing. And that's it. Market is closed 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock, and Asia gonna be opening I think 8:30 or 9 o'clock. So nothing I would do, but basically 15-minute high right now, beautifully. And basically we end up same place where we started. uh yeah, we end up same place. We started here in the morning, and we end up same place, so this is all wreckable. Anyways, yeah, so what did you learn from today? It's patience and stick to the strategy. Okay. Now let's go to the 1 hour structure. 1 hour structure is still this guy. So if we break this guy, we're good to go. We don't break, we don't go. Looking at Marcus Cipher showing no divergent, guys. We need something like that. Money flow going up, momentum doing this. That's the bottom. We can go, but we come back. 4 hour. Yeah, we have the divergent. I like the divergent, but I don't like that money flow. And that might curve, guys. Don't get me on it. We have the divergent. We need to confirm that one in 4 hours. So let's see if Asia can confirm us. The daily. The daily, the money start curving. VWAP is actually posturing to the upside. That's a good news. Uh, the only thing is, guys, the daily, they wanted to print a green dot on this candle right here, which is today candle, but they dumped us so hard and we couldn't do it. So hopefully we do that. Look into the candle itself, hiding everything. Uh, the candle is not too bad, guys. Like, I know we had no wick to the upside, not zero. And we made a daily, but we did close above this wick. So I like the daily. To be honest with you, the 2 day, for me, I'll tell you the best scenario, guys. The best scenario. And look, and basically we got basically supported from the last highs, which is beautiful. So that could have take us somewhere to the hundreds, to the 98. Yeah, that support could have take us to the 98, and I would have liked something low right here, 96 or even 95. We cannot go below 70, 75 because bear market finish. So 95 just to scare everybody up. And then, guys, we go. And I'm waiting for this to buy on spot, because what happened to the 2 day, we're gonna have up to the 98, and then we're gonna have down, and then we have up, and we printed the the bullish divergent. Shout out to Jason Casper, the butt cheeks on the 2 days, and the butt cheek on the 2 days is being the signals to the bottom, all this bull market, and is a strong signal. All I'm getting from it is 30%, and I'm selling the rest. So I'm waiting for this to happen. This might take us another 45 to 60 days. No matter how long it's going to take us, I'll wait for it. But just remember, guys, we might go 98, come back 85, and then we go to 117. And I think that would be that's it. So that's all I have for today. Let's see what happened. Bear market is where we make money, but we wait for the bear market, and we're traders. We trade the charts every day. So if you like the content, give a like, subscribe. Melo Trade here. Bye bye for now. To the next video.